Today, many sociologists who study social class agree that the basic map of class distribution is hierarchical and that four very broadly defined social class divisions based on some form of relationship to the means of production are helpful when thinking about inequality and social stratification. Sociologists identify the upper class, few in number, hold great economic resources, the middle class, made up of a variety of different groups with assorted marketable skills, the working class, a social class that is dispossessed of the means of production and sells its labor power to capitalists and is thus exploited and dominated within production, and an underclass, the lowest social stratum consisting of the poor, the unemployed, and, in Marx's view, the criminal. If you take a look on the next slide, Erik Olin Wright's elaborated class typology for classes in a capitalist society. You can see it is got 12 cells, and it's fairly complicated. Erik Olin Wright begins with the question of defining class in terms of relations to means of production. And you can see on the left-hand side, there are owners. On the right-hand side, there are employees. So if you're looking at owners in terms of if you're looking at class in terms of relations to means of production, you've either got owners or you've got employees. And employees have relations to authority. So the employees can be divided in terms of their relationship to authority. Employees can be managers, they can be supervisors, or they can be non-management. And this can be further divided in terms of the employees' relation to skilled resources. They can be experts, they can be skilled workers, they can be non-skilled workers. So if you look at the class, the whole class of employees, you can further divide that class into 9 groups in terms of the relation to authority and relation to scarce resources. Erik Olin Wright is dividing owners into just 3 categories based on the number of employees they have. They can have many employees, in which case he categorizes them as capitals, few employees, in which case he classifies them as small employers, and no employees, in which case he classifies them as petty bourgeoisie. It's a bit complicated.